Guys, I'm Wodacy2. I did a review of this amazing DJI sort of travel bag yesterday. After uploading, the sound was absolutely rubbish. I could use a different word for that, but won't, because it'll be live on air. I didn't realise till I'd actually uploaded the video, and it was kind of Jack Jones who left a comment to say, "I'm sorry, I didn't hear a thing, the volume is low." So, you know, thanks for that comment, my friend. Thought I'd do another video. Now, Banggood sent this to me to do a review. My Mavic Air 2, obviously they all sort of come in these bags. Great little bags. But you've got to force everything into these, I've found. So you get your drone in there, you get your transmitter, you're getting batteries in, your power banks. So you're squeezing a lot into a small bag, which to me is not easy to get to when you need it. I've found with the DJI Mavic Air 2 bag, if you know you're going out for maybe a quick couple of flights and you've got everything charged up and you're coming back home, you can just put your controller in, put the drone in, a couple of batteries, out you go. Great for that. Now this beauty from Banggood, it comes in the black and you can also get it in grey. So obviously your Mavic's sort of a grey in colour, but I've always preferred black, but it's each to their own. If you want a grey, order a grey. You want the black, order the black. But this is the reason I've fallen in love with this case. Once you've got everything in here, you unzip, pull it back, and you just see everything. Look at that. So you've got room here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 batteries, your power brick for your charging your batteries, and your battery compartment sort of slots, you know, that you put your batteries on. I think you get sort of 3 to go on the charge. That slides in there. Your little cables underneath, so if you're going away for a weekend and you've done a bit of flying, you need to charge things, you just pull your power brick out, the cables out, your little flat stand for charging 3 batteries, that'll get plugged. It's easy, just so easy to use. You just see everything you need. Now, the foam on this is like a stiffer type spongy foam. I don't know how to explain it, but in the past I've had camera bags which have been lighter, fluffy type foam that I found torn very quickly. This, guys, is not going to tear. Everything is so snug in this as well. So I've got 5 batteries, which is the reason I wanted to give this a review. And I number mine up so I know exactly what I've used and which one needs charging. So they just go in there. There's no movement whatsoever. This case from Banggood is £43.51. You can't go wrong, guys. I think this thing is absolutely amazing. Cannot stress that enough. Free delivery. You can't fault it. And once I put my order in for this to test it, do a review, this was on my doorstep within 7 or 8 days. I think 9 days max, but you can't go wrong with that. So there's your slot for your transmitter. There's some ledges where the transmitter will sit on, which gives you an extra storage area in the bottom there. Perfect for ND filters, other little bits and pieces, maybe some spare props. In the back, where the lid is. Probably can't see this properly. Once it's opened up, you've got a zip, and you've got plenty more storage inside there. So the amount of things that you can put in this, guys, is absolutely amazing. I'm going to put a link in the video description. So that pops in there, nice and tight. I've not got battery in the drone, obviously, we're having to redo the review. But if you listen to this as it goes in, a nice squeak, which tells you that is going in nice and snug. If you're out and about, you're walking through a field, if you're walking maybe up the side of a mountain, no matter where you walk, what rough terrain, what you're driving in, nothing is going to move in here, guys. Nothing is going to get damaged whatsoever. Fully waterproof. Beautiful case. So taking them out, and that shows how nice and snug they are. Controller out. And the batteries just slide out nicely. Take that one out. So all in all, great bit of kit. I'll say, comes with a shoulder strap, you know, if you want to carry it around your shoulders. I know when I've taken one of these out, I've not really used the shoulder strap unless I'm carrying other bits and pieces. The zips on it work absolutely flawless. Straight round. You get some products with zips that get caught up and they're awkward to move round. Not with this. Beautiful carry handle. Pushes back in there. Cannot fault it, guys. Absolutely amazing. So I would highly recommend this case for any DJI Mavic Air 2 pilots. Like I say, once you open it, you see what you need, rather than opening this and having to fumble around for bits and pieces. So that's a review of the Mavic Air 2 custom bag from Banggood. So guys, like I say, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Click on it, go in, order it. You will not be dissatisfied. For the price, the delivery time, the construction, it's waterproof. Go for it. Highly recommend it. So thank you, Banggood, for sending this. It is a firm favourite. I've looked at other things, other sort of carry bags for drones, but I think this beats everything hands down, in my opinion. That's my personal opinion. Love it. So guys, thanks for watching and happy flying.